Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch wheels, a ginger beige espresso brown MB text interior with a natural grain brown ash wood trim, sunroof, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium one package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 24,950 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.